This is a quick video on the order of operations, which we are going to be working with a little bit in the next coming days for math. So really quick, what the order of operations does is it tells you the order of different math operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, that you would work out if you were working out a problem that had more than one. So in a second, for example, we're going to work out this problem. As you can see, we have multiplication, we have subtraction, we have addition. I didn't put any division in here, but you will see the point. So the order of operations goes like this. Parentheses comes first, anything that is in a parentheses. So for example, that and this right here, those would be the first parts of the problem you would work out. Then the E is exponents. We don't have any exponents. When we get to middle school, we will learn more about exponents. And then this is kind of the tricky part. So multiplication and division are after the exponents, but you work them out going left to right. And then the same with addition and subtraction. They come at the same time, but you work them out left to right. So if I'm working out this problem, what I always do is, again, I look at my order. I'm going to start with the parentheses. And what I try to do is not only follow the order of operations, but in order to keep my problem neat and organized, I try to pick out just one operation to work at a time. So in this case, I'm going to start with my first set of parentheses and only focus on this. So I have 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, and then once I have that, I'm going to slide the rest of the problem down and I'm going to recopy it. Okay, so that way it just helps me keep the problem organized, helps me make sure that I solve all the different parts of it. So my next part, again, I have another parentheses over here. So I have 3 times 2, which is 6. I added a 3 there. Which is 6. So then, again, I'm going to bring down my rest of my problem. So now here's where this whole left to right thing comes into play. So if you look at this, what I'm left with now is I have 28 minus 6 plus 6. So what I'm looking at is, because the minus, the subtraction, and the addition are on the same line over here, I'm going to go left to right to work them out. So I'm going to subtract first, add second. So I'm going to go 28 minus 6 is 22. So now I have 22 plus 6. And then 22 plus 6 is 28. So that is my final answer. At the end, one of the things I like to do is count up my operations. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I had 1, 2, 3, 4 lines just to check to make sure that I didn't skip anything. Or as you guys could see in the middle there, I added a number at one point. Just make sure that I do the correct number. So that is order of operations.